Cardiac myopathy. Cardiac myopathy describes causes of myocardial muscle defects. There are three types of cardiomyopathy: dilated cardiac myopathy, hypertrophic cardiac myopathy, and restrictive cardiac myopathy. All forms of cardiomyopathy lead to two common endpoints. The first endpoint is congestive heart failure, which can lead to either diastolic or systolic dysfunction. The second potential endpoint is cardiac arrhythmias, because these myopathies can disrupt normal cardiac architecture, disrupting the normal electrical conduction of the heart. Dilated cardiomyopathy typically presents with an enlarged heart marked by dilated atria and ventricles. The most common etiology is idiopathic, although it can also be caused by certain medications and alcohol, which exhaust stores of thiamine, doxorubicin, and adriamycin. Viral and parasitic myocarditis also can cause dilated cardiomyopathy. Dilated cardiac myopathy can cause systolic dysfunction, which can lead to congestive heart failure, and can also develop valvular insufficiency because of widening of the valvular ring. Pathological signs are increased size of the ventricular chamber, thin ventricular walls, and enlarged atria. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy causes hypertrophy of the left ventricle, especially the interventricular septum. 50% of the cases are familial form with an autosomal dominant inheritance pattern with a mutation in heavy chain of beta-myosin and troponins. Pathologically, the enlarged septum can obstruct outflow of the aorta. The murmur becomes more intense with decreased preload. The factors that decrease preload include Valsalva maneuver, standing up, and the use of inotropic drugs. The murmur becomes less intense with increased preload. The factors that increase preload include inspiration, being in a supine position, and negative inotropic agents. The disruptive cardiac cellular architecture can also cause conduction disturbance and cardiac arrhythmias. Finally, the thickening of the cardiac muscle can cause diastolic dysfunction. This condition can cause sudden and unexpected cardiac death in young adults. Restrictive cardiac myopathy result in decreased ventricular complaints. The causes of restrictive cardiomyopathy include infiltrate disorders such as lysosomal storage disease, Pompe disease, etc. Pathologically, these diseases can cause decreased complaints resulting in diastolic dysfunction and heart failure. In restrictive cardiomyopathy, due to inability of the heart to relax, patient will also develop left ventricular hypertrophy, a thickened interventricular septum, and decreased chamber size.